You've now seen the whole frame: what team coaching is, who your client really is, how it differs from its neighbors, and how it extends the 8 core competencies you already know. Before we step into the competencies one by one, it's worth taking a moment to see where this road actually leads. Because the framework you've been learning isn't just a way of thinking about teams, it's the foundation for a real ICF credential. So let me show you what that is, how this course connects to it, and where you can take it from here. The credential is called ACTC, the ICF Advanced Certification in Team Coaching. It's ICF's credential for coaches who work with teams. A few things to know about it. It sits on top of your existing coaching credential rather than replacing it. It recognizes something this whole module has been building toward, that team coaching is its own discipline, with its own competencies. And those competencies are exactly the ones you're learning in this course. So everything you've already absorbed about the team as the client and the supplements layered onto the core 8 is the same material the credential is built on. Here's why that matters for what you're doing right now. The ICF Team Coaching Competencies are the model ACTC is built on. So when you sit with these competencies and really understand them, you're not doing some preliminary warm-up on the way to the real thing. Understanding this model deeply isn't a side trip toward the credential. It is the substance of it. The frame you've been building across this whole module, the client as one entity, the modalities, the way the team competencies extend the core 8, that frame is the same one the pathway assumes you bring. So think of this course as your on-ramp. Working through the 8 competency modules ahead gives you the conceptual grounding the pathway assumes you already have. That's what this course gives you, the frame that real team coaching practice stands on. And where it can lead is a credential, ACTC, that you may decide to pursue when you're ready. But notice the grounding is worth having either way. Whether you go after the credential right away, much later, or simply want to coach teams well, the frame you build here is yours to keep. The on-ramp leads somewhere real, and it's solid ground even if you never take the exit. Now let me be honest with you about the scope of what this is, because I won't oversell it. This free course teaches the competencies. It does not by itself grant you the credential, and I won't pretend otherwise. ACTC has its own requirements that go beyond what any single course gives you. What this course does and does well is get you clear on the model first. Get the model right here, and the rest of the path has somewhere firm to stand. That's the honest version, and I'd rather you start from there than from a promise I can't keep. So that's the foundation set. What team coaching is, who the client is, how it differs from its neighbors, how it extends the core 8 you already know, and where it can lead if you choose to take it there. From here, keep going with us at Tandem Coaching Academy. The next module opens the first competency, and it starts exactly where team coaching gets real, with ethics when the client isn't one person, but a whole team. That's a different kind of question than the ethics you already know, and it's where we go next. I'll see you there.